In Python, the underscore is used in several different ways depending on the context. In this video, we will give an overview of the main uses of the underscore in Python so we can use it properly in different scenarios. Don't use it as you wish because it can have special meanings in Python and can cause confusion if used improperly. A single leading underscore is a convention to indicate that a variable, property, or function is intended for internal use, i.e., it is private. This is just a convention and does not enforce access restriction. However, we should avoid using internal variables or functions outside the original module or class. Especially, we should avoid using the private variables or methods of third-party packages, as they may be changed with no advance notice. A single trailing underscore is used to avoid conflicts with Python keywords or built-in names. For example, class and ID are built-in keywords in Python. We cannot use them to name a variable or function directly. If we really need to use them in practice, we must put a trailing underscore to avoid name conflicts. Double leading and trailing underscores are reserved for special use in Python. For example, they are used for magic methods or dunder methods that have special meaning and are used by Python's internal mechanisms. Besides, the double leading and trailing underscores can be used for built-in variables. For example, underscore underscore name underscore underscore is a special built-in variable that is used to determine whether a Python script is being run as the main program or being imported as a module into another script. If you run a Python script directly, the value of this built-in variable is set to underscore underscore main underscore underscore. And if the script is being imported into another module, the value would be set to the name of the script. A single underscore is commonly used in Python, which is used to indicate a variable that is temporary or insignificant. It's commonly used in unpacking or loops and is used to represent a throwaway variable.